Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix item not found. This item couldn't be found error on Windows. So when I'm trying to delete this folder, I'm getting this error. So let's quickly fix this. So I'll fix this first by visiting Task Manager and resetting Windows Explorer. So sometimes it will fix this. Go to Task Manager and scroll all the way to Windows Explorer, right click and click on Restart. So this will restart the Windows Explorer and it should work. If it's not gonna work, I'll show you a different way. You can see I'm not able to fix this. I'm not able to delete the folder. So the next step is to go to the search bar, open the command prompt and right click and run as administrator. Now this will open the command prompt. So here you will have to give a different command. I'll leave this command in the description. Just paste this rd/invalid comma, this command basically, and then go back to the folder that you want to delete. So this is the folder I'm trying to delete. Open this folder and copy the path. Just right click and copy the address of this folder and go back to your command prompt and paste this folder address here and hit enter. And now you'll have to confirm. Just press Y and hit enter. That's it. The folder is deleted. As you can see, we don't have this folder anymore on our system. So that's it. Just enter this command and command prompt and enter the path or the folder address and hit enter and confirm, and that's it. It will delete the folder that you're trying to delete from a long time. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.